Hello everybody, look at this cute, oh never mind, this is Fatty here, and today we're looking at Man's Best Frenemies 2020. Now you guys, 2020 has been a really tough year on some, but I bet not worse than these people. I mean, look at this dog. Okay, alright. He's not having it, you guys. Really not. Okay, so... ouch. Did you feel that? Well, I did. Not sure about you. Oh, bye, poor boy. Okay, so... you see, animals break things, run over, and do stupid things, but the owners, they don't say anything to them, and like, I feel jealous, you guys. You know why? Because if I was them, my parents would have killed me and buried me. I mean, I don't know. Okay. Wow. Hey, come on. Look at that snake. That's what you get. Oh, that is a sweet boy trying to get to his owner, but no luck. Okay. Ooh, the flamingos fly? Really? Oh. Hey, don't eat it! Okay, so small bite, boy. Oh, never mind. Okay, ouch. Oh, where you going? Nowhere, I guess. Okay, so that's a thief, you guys. Hey, you're a mother.
Sandy, I'm gonna give you this, but
okay, so ouch. Hey. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so oh, you dirty buddy. Oh, watch where you're sitting. Okay. Oh. Okay, so good boy. Sorry, boy. Alright. So this dog is running away from something. I don't know what. Hey, what you running away from? Hey! Ouch! Oh, hey! Stop attacking! Oh my... Whoa, that was intense. Okay. Oh my god, what's going on, you guys? What is going on? These animals are crazy, I tell ya. Okay, anyway, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and tag an animal lover. I'll see you next time, you guys, with an amazing video. I promise you. Take good care of yourself, and bye.
I'm not falling. Okay, I'm falling.